Welcome to our Tutoom training series. In this lesson, we'll learn how to connect Tutoom with Moodle in 3 simple steps. First, we'll create an account so we can use the app. Then, we'll get the plugin and set it up in the Moodle platform. And finally, we'll use the plugin so you can see how easy it is to create a room. Before proceeding, please make sure your organization already works with Moodle and that you have a Moodle administrator account. To begin, we'll go to tutoom.com and click on Try for free. In this sign-up form, we must fill in the required fields: name of institution, country, your name, a valid email address, and a password. You must agree to the terms of service to continue. Now click on Next and wait for your verification code. Please check your inbox or maybe your spam folder for a message like this and copy the code. Once pasted, it will take some seconds to finish the process. And that's it. Now you have a Tutoom account. Now click on the button below to enter the platform. Let's access with the email and password from the first step. And now we're logged into Tutoom. Now let's go to Settings, Integrations, and here you'll see all you need to install Tutoom for Moodle. Let's click on the arrow next to Moodle plugin. A new window will open, and now we're in the Moodle plugins repository. Click on Download to see what version you're getting. By default, you'll always have the latest. So click on Download one more time and save the file in a folder. Now let's install the plugin. In your Moodle Administrator account, go to the Site Administration section and under the Plugins tab, click on Install Plugins. Here, you must load the downloaded file by choosing it manually or dragging it into the rectangle. Once done, click on Install Plugin from the zip file. If no errors are found, click on Continue 2 more times. In case of any errors, please contact us through our Help Center. Proceed with upgrading Moodle's database, and a final confirmation message should appear. Click on Continue once again. In this last step, we should fill in the account ID and secret key. Let's return to Integrations in Tutoom platform and copy and paste them into their corresponding fields. Once done, save the changes. Now we're ready to use the plugin. Now let's go to My Courses. Please make sure you have at least one course created for this and that you are in edit mode. In your course, click on Add an activity or resource, look for Tutoom, and click it to add it. Fill in the necessary fields if you need them. I'll just fill in the room name for this video and click on Save and Display. You're one step away. Now click on Start Session to create a room. Let's just wait a second. And now let's click on Join. You can now enroll your students to join a room and take advantage of all Tutoom's integrated features on any device. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at help.tutoom.com. Tutoom, your digital classroom.